Previously on Everyday
We are
Adventures.
painting pottery at Busch Gardens. Whitley, turn it around. Let me see what you picked. Oh, a black cat for Halloween. Silas, what did you decide on? A monster truck bank.
See, you can see all around.
Wow.
And I'm already painting it. See on the top?
Yeah, I do see that. Cool. And then once we get finished, they're going to glaze them and ship them to us, which is awesome. I'll have to show you the finished product.
The name out home, and then it's ours, and we get to put it on our door.
Super cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Whitley, show us. Dun 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 dun! Wow! Let me see your face. Wow!
Isn't she lovely?
That looks great, Whitley. Silas is almost done.
Guys, look out.
Wow!
Beautiful. And you can look out.
Blue. Wow, that's a
The
surprise.
lights are.
Awesome.
But I want to leave this one. 'Cause that's
Yep.
how. But this is green because that's a middle.
Yep.
Middle.
Perfect. All right, let's go. So we got this box yesterday in the mail, and I told the kids they wanted to know what it was. I gave them a hint that it hisses and beeps. So what do you think it is, Whitley?
I think it's going to be a roll-off snake, and Silas thinks it's going to be a monster.
You think it's going to be a monster truck, Silas?
Yeah.
And you think it's a real-life snake?
Monster trucks also beep. Okay?
That's true.
So,
Okay, so on the count of 3, I want you to open it. 1, 2, 3.
styrofoam.
Stop, Willie. Scoot
What? Be careful, be careful, be careful. What is it? What did you find something?
What is that big thing? Oh my word, guys. I think we're going to need a bowl to get this thing out. What is this?
Oh, be careful with it, be careful, be careful.
Hold on.
Heavy.
You
What?
Don't pick it up like that.
Don't drop it.
Lay it down on the couch.
Do I have to? Is there another one? There's not another one.
There's not another one? There's only one in there? Is there only one?
Yeah.
Oh, there's only one. Okay, well,
Well,
there was supposed to be 2. Let's see what this one is.
Okay, see this.
okay.
You might have to get Dad to help you. Let's grab some scissors.
Hey, can I cut with the scissors?
No.
Why? Can I cut with the scissors?
No, let's let Daddy cut it.
Hey, look, scissors.
You getting it?
Yeah. I think it's from
Be
the
careful, be
window.
careful. You think it's from the Wendigo?
Yeah.
It might just
But
be.
let's read this.
Has a number on it and a smiley face.
20343.
Oh, if we decide to give it away, that's how money we'll have to give.
Oh, okay.
Maybe that's why.
Might be.
What in the world could this be? I told you I wasn't sure. I was half wrong.
There wasn't 2.
Yeah, I thought there was going to be 2.
It's because it's in a box and it's really hard to do.
You got a little crazy with some tape.
Well, didn't want it to break.
Probably the window. That sounds like the window.
Mercy, Lord.
You can do this, Dad.
Huh?
Easy.
Oh, it's a...
What is it? Be careful, be careful.
I told you it's candles.
It's not candles, it's pottery. Let me see, Whitley.
Hey, Mom, I told you.
Oh, it looks so good.
That white spot.
She's beautiful, huh? There were 2 of them.
Mom,
Silas, wow.
I told you that these was gonna be like this.
Yeah, you told me. You got to be very careful with it, okay? Because it will break. Let's see the bottom side, Silas. Did it turn out blue like you wanted it to?
Wow, that's really blue.
Oh, wow.
So blue. Oh, look, and this turned out mine.
Wow, those look great.
They really do.
That's so cool. Is that what you guys were thinking?
Whoop,
Whoop, whoop. No, baby. No, it's a bank.
It's a toy.
It's pottery.
Okay.
I think this is what the bathroom comes out of. Oh, now I have two piggy banks.
Yeah, that's
I
cool.
think this is what the bathroom comes out of.
That's where it uses the bathroom.
Maybe.
All right. Was that awesome? All right. Give us a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel and make every day.
Adventure.
Okay, bye-bye.